Once upon a time, in a peaceful and prosperous kingdom, there lived a wise and thoughtful king. This king didn't just rule with laws and armies, he ruled with vision and a deep desire to nurture the spirit of his people. One day, the king decided to conduct a little experiment. "I want to see," he thought, "who among my people will rise above complaints and take action for the good of all." So he ordered a massive stone to be placed in the middle of a busy road, one that many travelers used every day. And then, dressed in plain clothes, he disguised himself as a common man and quietly hid nearby to observe. The first travelers to pass were wealthy merchants. They were dressed in silk, adorned with jewels, riding on fine horses. They saw the boulder, frowned, muttered about inconvenience, and walked around it without lifting a finger. "What kind of kingdom is this?" one of them grumbled. "The king should be keeping the roads clear." Then came royal advisors, men of status and pride. They saw the stone, scoffed, and also stepped aside. Some even blamed the king out loud for the blocked path. "If I were in charge," one of them said arrogantly, "this would never happen." Day after day, people passed. They all had complaints, but not one of them did anything about the problem. Then one morning, as the sun stretched its golden arms across the land, a young farmer approached the road. His clothes were simple, his shoulders strong, and he carried 2 baskets full of fresh vegetables. He paused when he saw the giant stone. He didn't complain. He didn't look around for someone else to fix it. He simply set his baskets down, took a deep breath, and began to push. He pushed with all his strength. His muscles ached, his hands got dirty, but with grit and determination, he managed to roll the stone off the path. As he stood there, catching his breath, he noticed something, a leather pouch lying beneath where the boulder had been. He picked it up, opened it, and gasped. Inside were glimmering gold coins, and a note written by the king himself. "This reward is for the one who took the initiative to clear the way. While others chose to walk around the problem, you chose to remove it. Your actions, not your words, have made the difference." The king. The young farmer smiled, not just because of the gold, but because of something even greater. He had made the road better for everyone. He had chosen to act where others only complained, and life had rewarded him for it.